Bonjour and bienvenue à tous. This is Deepthi, directrice of Here and Now the French Institute. I welcome you to another episode on Happy Learning French series. And today's topic is les adjectifs possessifs. To start with the definition, les adjectifs possessifs are used to show ownership. They come before a noun in the sentence and let us know whom the noun belongs to. In short, they are used to show the noun belongs to someone or something. In English, you choose the possessive according to the gender and number of the subject. And we say his bottle, her bottle, and so on. Here, the gender of the bottle or the object doesn't matter, but the gender of the possessor or the subject that matters. But in French, it's the opposite. As you know, every object has a gender and number. And what matters is the gender and number of the object and not the subject. For example, we say sa bouteille even if the bouteille is masculine or feminine. So, for example, sa bouteille and sa bouteille. Now let's look at les adjectifs possessifs, singulier et pluriel. There are two possibilities when the subject is singular. In the first case, a singular subject and a singular object. For example, j'ai un portable, c'est mon portable. In the second case, when the subject is singular and the object is plural. For example, j'ai des livres, ce sont mes livres. Now let's look at the cases when the subject is plural. In the first case, a subject is plural and the object is singular. For example, ils ont une maison, c'est leur maison. In the second case, when the subject is plural and the objects are also plural, ils ont des voitures, ce sont leurs voitures. Now let's look at the adjective possessive for each subject. For the first person singular, je, we use mon, ma, mes, tu, ton, ta, tes, il, elle, son, sa, ses, and for three plural pronoun subjects like nous, notre, notre, nos, vous, votre, votre, vos, and il and elle, we say leur, leur, leur. To recollect the usage, I repeat, les adjectifs possessives take the gender and number of the possession and not the possessor. Examples: her brother is son frère. Elle joue avec son frère. His sister is sa sœur. Sa sœur aime regarder la télé. And their cars become leur voiture. Leurs voitures sont garées à l'extérieur. And my keys is called mes clés. J'ai oublié mes clés à la maison. For more examples, download our PDF. The link you will find in the description box. And we've come to the end of this episode on les adjectifs possessifs. I hope you found this content educative and clear. Keep following us for more such content on Happy Learning French series. Like, share and subscribe for Here and Now the French Institute. Until then, this is Deepthi signing off, directrice of Here and Now the French Institute. Au revoir and happy learning French.